Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable product tag section in menu in WordPress. So we are going to add product tags in menu. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you don't see product tags, you only see product categories. So first we are going to enable product tags for menu. Now scroll up. On top you see screen option, so click on it and then you see product tags, so enable, and then scroll down, you see product tags, now expand it. Now you see tags we are using in our WooCommerce, so you can select according to requirement and then click on add to menu. Now you see product tag is added in menu and then click on save menu. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.